good morning and welcome back to the Grenier Kitchen. As you can see, it's coming along nicely. Hope you appreciate the orange touch there. So this morning I thought I'd like to make one of my favourite breakfast dishes. I love toast, but we're in France, so it seems appropriate to make a bit of French toast. So, got my ingredients, obviously my eggs, bread, a little bit of milk, sugar, salt, and we'll come to the secret ingredients in a moment. Okay, right, so let's begin. Nice big bowl to crack the eggs in. Oops, made a bit of a mess there. I've got some shell in. Try not to do that. I'm going to use 2 eggs. You know the joke already. For those of you that missed it, because we're in France, 1 egg is not enough. Okay, 2 eggs, and let's get a fork, and let's just kind of mix that around a bit. Okay, and now we can add the milk. And a little bit of sugar according to taste, not too much if you're worried about your health and blood pressure and those kind of things. Okay, that's coming along nicely. A little bit of pinch of salt, once again, not too much. Right, where were we? Yes, the secret ingredient, well actually there's 2. First of all, a little bit of cinnamon, which they call cannelle moulée or something like that in France. Just a little bit of that. Don't go crazy. And then the essence of vanilla. A little bit of vanilla essence. Okay, just a few drops of this because it's pungent. Yep, there we go. Oh, vanilla essence. Okay, just whisk that all together. Lovely. Okay, now we can take our bread 1 slice at a time and just drop it in there, just quickly, and turn it over and in my pan. Okay, touch of butter. How can we cook in France without a touch of butter? Okay, there you go. Melt that away, but don't burn it. This is crucial. Don't burn your butter. Okay, that's melted nicely. I'm just going to turn that heat down a fraction. Okay, now that bread is well and truly soaked, which is, I mean, people prefer what they prefer, right? I prefer it not soaked actually, but hey, so it's the first one, never mind. We'll see how it goes. Okay, that's into the pan. Yep, and flip over. Once again. Yeah, see, this is what happens when you soak your bread too much. It gets heavy and it doesn't flip easily. We flipping want that, don't we? What can I say? Okay, give that a few more seconds on that side. Yeah, this is looking not too bad. The first piece, I always think, you know, it's a bit of a test piece, isn't it? And If it doesn't work out, just give it to the dog. If you've got a dog. And if you haven't, give it to the cat, but they don't usually appreciate French toast. Okay, that's not looking too shabby. I think we're about ready to dish that one out. We'll give it a couple of seconds again on the other side. That was looking quite nice now, actually. That's turned out nice again. Okay, so that's my first piece pretty much done, I would say, so we can live with that. Now keep adding the butter, because you know each piece kind of soaks up, and you can turn that heat down a bit. You can see how hot that pan has got. Don't want to burn the butter. Okay, right, now this time we're just in and over and in and over, not soaking it for days. Okay, and into the pan. Lovely. Okay, I have a feeling this piece is going to be the piece de resistance. Okay, keep the pan, keep things moving, I always find. And you can see the pan has got quite hot. That's actually almost on the point of burning. So I was wrong, this piece isn't going to be the best piece. Number 3. Probably will be the goods. Okay. Wow, you can smell the cinnamon, it's beautiful. Nice, nice. Okay, that will do. Okay, this one I feel is going to be just great. Okay, into the mix and just let the excess drip off there. Wow. Looking good. And so it's the French toast. Okay. Voila. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're doing well. We're doing well. Ah, that cinnamon is just piquant. Nearly there. I'm only going to do 3 pieces, and I've got a bit of mix left over, but I'll just stick that into a container and use it. Probably later on, if I'm honest. Heat off, and piece number 3. Yes, I would say. Look at that. That's as good as it gets, isn't it? Now, of course, no French toast is complete without your maple syrup. And I also like a little bit of squeezed segment of orange as a sort of a little bit of an aside thing. Just the mix of the orange and the maple syrup is just to die for. I learned that one in New Zealand, where they serve the traditional breakfast of bacon, eggs, etc. Bacon, French toast, maple syrup with a slice of orange. It's a magnificent combination. So there we go. Let's just dribble a little bit of maple syrup over it. Whoa. Try and get some onto French toast. Okay. A knife. Let's just try and nibble and see how that's turned out. Let's just give it a little squeeze of orange as well. That is That is just, that's, See you later. Bon appetit. Ah, bloody delicious. One more thing, guys. Thank you very much for your comments and all your kind remarks about what's going on here. And if there's something you'd like to see me attempt, please let me know. I'll be happy to try most things. And please like and subscribe, and you can help with the ongoing renovations of the Grenier Kitchen. So it's been wonderful. You've been hopefully entertained, and I've been sated with my French toast. So take care and see you again soon.